Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make lasagna. So if you want to know how I prepare it, just stay tuned. So for the ingredients, we'll be needing 15 ml of cooking oil, black pepper, 1 kilo of minced beef, 800 grams of tomato puree, onions, garlic ginger cubes, scotch bonnet pepper, green seasoning cubes, salt, thyme, rosemary, and 2 beef stock cubes. For the bechamel sauce, I will be needing 500 ml of milk, 50 grams of flour, 50 grams of butter, and saucepan. I will also be needing baking glass. If you have other baking tray or baking pan, it works as well. Then I need mozzarella cheese, and the chief ingredient of the day is lasagna. So let's make it. So I will start by preparing my onions. I'll peel these onions and at the same time chop them into small sizes. So I'll go ahead and cut my scotch bonnet pepper into small sizes. For the scotch bonnet pepper, you can take as much as you want, as long as you can handle the heat, or you can even skip it. It's optional. Once I'm done with the prep, I'm going to preheat the cooking oil. Then add the chopped onions. Stir them. Now followed by the spices, including the salt. So I'm going to saute them for about 2 minutes. At this point, I'll go ahead and add in my ginger garlic cubes, my homemade green seasoning cubes, and my scotch bonnet pepper. If you want to know how I make these green seasoning cubes, check out the link here at the top. Just click on the link. Hello, my lovelies. Are you still watching but you've not subscribed to my channel? Subscribe, it is free. Click on the notification bell and the option select all so that you'll be aware anytime I upload a new video. At the end of the video, like, share with your friends. Thank you. I stir it for about 1 minute and I will go ahead and add the minced beef. Before I throw them into the oil, I use my kitchen knife to separate them like so. With the help of my wooden spatula, I'm going to break them like so, and I'll stir them all together. Continue stirring them until the minced beef are cooked. Once they are cooked, you will find out that their color will change. Finally, the minced meat are cooked. I'm now going to throw in my tomato puree. Yes, so stir them in and let them cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. All depend on the quantity of the food you are preparing. For mine, it took me for about 15 minutes to get done. And it depends as well the cooking stove you are using. If you're using a small cooking stove just like mine, it will take longer time. Then if you're using a normal kitchen cooking stove, then it will take shorter time depending on the size of the food and at the same time the stove. Okay, don't forget. Let's prepare the bechamel sauce or Bachamel Cream. White sauce, whatever name you might give it, it will answer. So I'm going to prepare the bechamel sauce. I add in the milk. As you know, it's 500 ml of milk. Now I'm going to throw in the butter, then stir them in a low heat with the help of my whisk. In this cream, feel free to add spices or salt to it if you wish. For me, I am comfortable with the enough spices I added to the meat sauce, so it's up to you. Now that the cream is thickened, I'm going to prepare the lasagna. I will start by pouring in the cream at the base of the pan or the glass. Just watch me step by step and see how I assemble all the ingredients together. Next, I will be placing the lasagna pasta one after the other. See how I place them at the base of the pan? You can as well break some to cover some space. So I'll go ahead and spread the lasagna beef sauce over the lasagna pasta. So at this point, I'm going to add my mozzarella cheese. As you can see, this is a grated mozzarella cheese, but before I apply it, I have to put a little bit of the cream on top of the beef sauce. Then I will spray a generous amount of mozzarella cheese. I'll repeat the same process for about 3 or 4 layers, depending on the size of your pan. But for mine, it is made for 3 layers. Let me use this opportunity to appreciate all of you that are watching this video. More especially my returning subscribers that are always watching my videos, liking them, commenting nicely, and as well sharing my videos. Even the ones that are giving me super chat. God bless you. Thank you so much. If you're new here, you're welcome to my kitchen. After watching this video, if you like what you're seeing, please don't forget to kindly give me thumbs up. As well, share my videos with your friends and families. Thank you. As you can see, this is the 3rd layer. I'm going to apply the meat sauce. Next to it, I'll add generous amounts of mozzarella cheese. After that, sprinkle some dried parsley. Finally, transfer it to the preheated oven and bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes. I'll repeat the same process in the 2nd pan. Voila! The lasagna is ready. We'll leave it to cool for about 5 minutes and it is ready to serve. Wow! This is the moment of truth. Let's cut in to this lasagna and find out those goodness in it. My dear, I wish you try this very recipe at home, and I believe your family will never be disappointed. Wow, let's dig into this lasagna. The aroma is already filling up my room, and the children can't even wait to be served. Wow. Feel free to click on any of my videos that will pop after this. Till I see you next time, eat healthy and stay safe. Bye, and God bless you.